We got up super early today, like 5 a.m. To get into Arches National Park. Luckily, we were able to find a spot because parking lot's already full and it's like 7:30. We're starting out with a delicate arch hike. Yeah, we're going all the way up there.
I'm always tired. Doesn't matter if it's the morning or I'm hiking or at night, I'm tired.
We almost made it to the top. I think that was from what I remember, that was the worst part. We're more than halfway down the trail now. It's really nice to see the arch again. I've been here before with my friends. I definitely brought a lot of memories. The first part of the trail is definitely the hardest. Now we're going back to the parking lot, gonna kind of regroup, get a snack, get some liquids in us, and then hit another trail called the Devil's Garden. We made it back. It always feels so good to come back. We're starting the Gardens Devil Trail. Not sure if we're gonna do the whole thing, we'll see. But we're just lucky enough to find a parking spot here. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. This is more in line with what I expected. Lots of like big rocks, and they're pretty like rounded, and they're red, and that's definitely what I wanted to see. I love it.
From what I remember last time, this was my favorite part of the trail. You're just walking on this like skinny thing in the middle. We are taking the primitive trail back. I also did this last time I was here. Honestly, I thought the primitive trail was easier. It's a difficult hiking, but going down those skinny rocks is just as challenging. Oh, look, another Lizzie McGuire. So right now I'm checking to make sure we're on trail. Yeah, this is the trail. Because last time I was here, there was a ladder.
All right, I'm gonna try to come down by myself. Okay.
I mean, take your time. I'm stuff right here. She's a rock climber. Oh, you know it'd be fun to go to an indoor climbing park?
No.
Well, if you fall in like a foam pit.
Yeah.
Oh, we need to go to Sky Zone. We did it!
I made it. That was so scary, but I'm glad I made it. Woo!
There's branches covering. We're almost at the end of the primitive trail. The heat's definitely getting to us. I'm sweating everywhere. Jayla is starting to feel a little worse. Our fingers are like swollen, but they were swollen earlier. But I don't think that's ever happened to us on the trails. We're very close and just hoping to get back safely. Even though it's like in the 80s, the heat and the sun are very powerful out here. Whew, we did it. So we just looked on the map, and the trail that we did and the combination pretty much equals out to 5 miles. And then we also did 3 miles earlier at the Delicate Arch. So wow, 8 miles of hiking today in the sun. That's crazy. I'm not feeling as tired as I am, just it's hot and thirsty. So we entered right here, and then we went all the way up to the Delicate Arch. We did this trail right here, and then we went up here, and then the Landscape Arch Trail, and then the Primitive Trail back. Wow, we got to the parking lot, and the amount of people here is much less. Definitely cleared up. Well, we came here early enough. I mean, getting up at 5 and doing the Delicate Arch Trail and then here is pretty doable. Definitely need to pack more water though. We're tired, our legs hurt, but before we leave, we gotta get our stamp and our little passport book. Dang, look at this line of cars. So glad that when we got here today in the morning, we just drove by. There wasn't even attendance in the booths yet. There ain't a whole party bus. We're on our way to a gas station where we can dump and get some more water, and it's taking us through the center of Moab downtown, and it's a very cool little city. It's the contrast between the green trees and the mountains, the red mountains in the back is really cool. After dumping and getting water, we made our way back to Willow Springs Trail campground, staying on BLM land again, the same place that we were staying before. We're just a lot closer to the road. We are planning on going to Canyonlands tomorrow, and that should be really fun. Here's our stay for today. We have a nice view, so it's pretty cool.